Tired of sleeping and wondering where to make money? Stop trying your luck. Stop it. We have a solution to your problem and we are ready to help. Hundreds of traders rely on their luck and lose their money. We are ready to show you how, with the help of a neural network, you can earn money from day one. All you need is to follow the link in the description of our bot, create a new account on PocketOption, and make a deposit. When everything is ready, you can start trading. First of all, we need to configure our Autobot for our balance and our strategy. Select the recommended currency pair and you can launch our Autobot. The bot immediately opens our first deal. Let's see what it can do. Autobot is completely free and you can get it by simply clicking on the link in the description. Great, we immediately get profit and continue to watch the work of the Autobot. The balance grows with each transaction. The Autobot on the neural network is really what you need for successful trading. The bot was just a little short of closing the deal in plus, but this is good. We will show how the Autobot closes the minus. As I said, let the bot show itself and it will do its job. Now we will speed up the video a little to show in dynamics how the bot will increase the balance. Well, how do you like the result, friends? The balance has increased 3 times in just 2 minutes. Are you still wondering if it's worth trying? The link is in the description. Go ahead and pick up your Autobot. Start earning with Finance TradeBot.